1,300 meters is the distance, and they're off. Cornati Islands draws for your lead, is striding ahead, running by the rail, is sneaking in down on the inside. Ampore, then followed by Slayotar, Native Land, Mary running second last, and yes, Commander Reese running at the tail of the field, heading towards the 900 meters post. Cornati Islands in command, running by the rail, is striding ahead, then racing in third with a gap of 3 lengths. Ampore moving up on the outside, Native Land, then comes Isleotar, Mary second last, and yes, Commander is still in behind them as they race towards the last 450, is striding ahead, leading the field. Cornati Island still running in second. Native Land is on the outside as they turn for home, is striding ahead, still leading the field. Cornati Islands remains in second by the rails. Layotar, Native Land, Mary with 150 to go is striding ahead, now striding away by about 7 lengths, followed by Islayotar, then on the outside Native Land, and finally is striding ahead. Slayotar, then comes Native Land. Yes, Commander, Cornati Islands for your Pentafecta. Then comes Mary.